Para gusto ko na lang, I want to go back to Philippines kasi I can go anytime because mainit ang lugar. Tapos, I can go fishing anywhere. Like, I enjoy fishing, or I go to the farms, watching the birds. I like watching the birds over the rice field. I really like watching the birds. Tapos, I clean my garden. I have the jackfruits. I have durian, one tree of durian, one tree of pomelo, like that. One tree of mangosteens, one tree of three. I have three coconut tree. I have two mangoes tree. I really